Hello everyone, in this video how to smooth hair it's in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your image, then select quick selection tool, select smoothly, then click direct refine edges or select tap refine edges, select color, bracket for increase or decrease size, go to select tab, refine edges, select your color, click outside, increase or decrease size, mouse enter, then select draw on your mouse, and select tab layer mask. Use to this option reduce smooth feather contrast, shift its, then use shift its, then I do not use this, then directly layer mask. And now we can see this smooth hair it's. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.